Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Guys, just for an update, we had recorded a market kya lagta hai video on a Thursday, and on a Thursday we had expected a big short covering. So that short covering has taken place. Nifty at present is about 1% up and Bank Nifty is about 0.7% up. So on a daily chart, if we take a look, the targets that we had calculated, that target is done. We can see that Nifty has moved up by about 264 points and Bank Nifty in a similar period is up by about 400 points so far. But this is not the end of the day. It seems that from the important support zone, the market has bounced and it has bounced really well. If you remember, we had done some open interest analysis as well. So I would love to share with you how that open interest analysis has also worked. But before we go on to open interest analysis, let us quickly take a look at what is happening in Nifty. So Nifty, we had calculated two targets. One was 24,714 and the second target was 24,814. Both these targets are completed. In fact, Nifty has reached to the range high, the OI range high of 25,000, and from that 25,000 it is currently retracing. Does this means it will be a shorting opportunity? Not really, but the next bullish trade I will take only and only when today's high is taken out. So I will not rush to trade in this particular phase and let the price close above the high of the day. It has formed a particular high and from there it has retraced so much. It has tried to enter the gap, tried to reach to the day's low and everything. There's still a lot of gap is there, but let the price confirm, and after the confirmation only we will look for the trade. So there is a lot of trapping that is taking place. Let's say someone who entered after this high is punched, and from there currently it is at a retracing level. So it becomes difficult for a trader, especially option traders, to manage through the positions if they are not following the discipline part. So keep that particular part in your mind. Guys, so there is going to be a webinar on 24th of August on a Sunday between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. It is going to be an online program. I'm providing a link for registration in the description box below this video. If you register on that link, you will be shared link on your WhatsApp number. What I'm going to cover in this webinar, it is about the annual market outlook. There was a video shared on annual outlook. Then where we are as per that annual outlook, current market trend, where we are currently. We'll learn a beautiful concept called relative strength, right? Basics of relative strength and why relative strength is important. This will help us arrive at a sectorial analysis, and the sectorial analysis versus individual stock selection, how to go about it, is something that we are going to contemplate in this. Also, most importantly, even though you know which sector is leading, just like auto is leading today or currently in this particular week or in the coming month, the flavor will be auto. How to read the market breadth, what kind of a stocks, how many percentage of the stocks are participating current bull run, or it is just a fake breakout. It's a beautiful tool called market breadth, and you will be able to understand how to learn about this market breadth. And most importantly, gauging investor sentiment. There has to be realistic indicators basis the positions that the investors are creating, and by that we will understand whether it is a beginning of a new bull run or just going to be a bull trap or a bear trap. It's a very simple concepts, but these are power packed things that I'm going to explain to you. We are going to learn this together in a master class on Indian stock market outlook. This is going to happen again on a 24th August. So do join, do register for this program. The link is there in the description. Both these targets are completed for Nifty. As for Bank Nifty, both the targets of 55,839 and 56,071, both these targets are completed. Bank Nifty is also retracing, reaching out to the previous high of Bank Nifty, and from there it might start to bounce again. Similar thing, unless and until it closes above the 56,000 level, we will not be bullish, right? So be little cautious. But why we still have a bullish bias or a bullish view? Let us go to options. Why? So on the options open interest, you can see, take a look at this total open interest here for 28th August expiry, and you can see that on Thursday we had seen 4.5 CR call and 4.5 CR open interest of call as well as put. Today what has happened is that the put OI has increased significantly, and put OI currently stands at 4.83 lakh, whereas the call OI is about 4.48 lakh. So call OI just where it was 4.5 CR, and put OI is increasing. Put OI increasing, that means the put writers are more aggressive. That means the bias is bullish. Let us check at the change in OI. So what is happening in change in OI? There's a significant addition in a 25,000 put as well as 24,800 put OI, and there's an unwinding in this 24,800, 24,700, 24,600 strikes. More than 5 lakh open interest is kind of unwound from this position. So this unwinding itself is telling us that the bias is strong bullish, and this should help traders make good money provided today's high is taken out. So keep that thing in mind. That is a confirmation on the price front, right? I always keep on talking about wait for the confirmation. That confirmation has to be price closing above day's high. So this is about Nifty. If we take a look at the Bank Nifty scenario, Bank Nifty on a month end expiry, you can see that there is a huge call writing, right? More than that of the put writing. What has changed in today's day? As I had mentioned, there is a 56,000 as a significant red flag which is completed today. There's also a 57,000 red flag which is pending, and price is moving in that direction. Now let us check how the OI change is supporting this view. Now in OI change, you can see that unwinding is taking place from call open interest, and there is an addition that is taking place in 56,000 put options. So this itself is signifying that market should sustain above 56,000, and once that happens, once the high is taken out, then we'll be able to initiate the next bullish positions with a smaller stop loss. See, both the things are important. Confirmation of a bullish move is important, and along with that the small stop loss is also important. So we have seen how it has taken place for Nifty, Bank Nifty. The targets are completed for market kya lagta hai video. We have also seen a follow up to the open interest analysis, right? I have reminded you about the webinar as well. If you want to learn this detailed concept, do consider joining the 6-month 1 GM mentorship program, and that will be your key to success. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.